Hey bud, how you doing? Watching mask videos? Me too. Not really, never seen one. Today, however, I am testing some masks, looking at the Klaring KF94. Let's put it in the clamper and then we will talk about this mask. Ah, look at that, love it. The individually packaged kind of had a weird pattern though on that. Oh, how embarrassing. So embarrassing when you go to test a mask and then your last mask is in there. Ooh, and you got all these people watching. Boy, boy. So the KF94 is a South Korean format. We're testing a lot of, very excited to see this format explode on Amazon. You could not find them before, and now there's so many brands I've never even seen before because, you know, the format is a Korean format, and we are not in Korea. If we were, we would have a lot less COVID deaths because they got their shit together. All right, let's get this thing going. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. If you want to find out more about this, I'm going to put a link up here. The KF94s have never disappointed me because the Korean FDA is, I think, super crazy. They're a lot like NIOSH, and they really regulate a lot of these designs. And the other thing that's really cool about a KF94 is that part of the standard is it has to be made in Korea, which allows the Korean government to really police these manufacturers. It's hard for NIOSH to police Chinese manufacturers of N95s because they don't have any people there, I don't think. All right, let's take a look at this style here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think if I really pull, it'll break, but that's pretty good. And look at the packaging. I talk about it every time. I like packaging. This is a soft touch box. It's so soft. It's so soft. And then you open it up and you get this delightful experience. And you pop this mask open. It's a great day in packaging land. It's folded flat, which is super efficient. Ear loops are a little big for me, personally. Got the nose wire. Pretty good. This mask smells like a foreign hospital somewhere. Yeah, it's like not a bad smell. Like, you know, you go into a hospital and it's like cleaning agents. Definitely cleaning agents, but these ones I don't recognize. So, yeah, there are worse smells for sure. It's not overpowering. In fact, I've found some of the best KN94s. The only complaint I would have is that they have a very powerful, like burning type of smell. And this one, probably one of the better ones. But does that matter if it doesn't protect you? That's what this machine will tell you, folks. That's right. So let's stare deep into the PFE machine and have it give us our oracle answers. Oh, there you go. Dang, we have had nothing but, this is like the 5th one that we've tested in a row, KF94, and 99s all day long. 99.259, 99.259. Do you get the breathability? Oh, this is one of the better ones, 164.3 pascals. You definitely want to see masks, ideally under 150 pascals. But a lot of the KF94s today that we've tested have been on the high side. They've been, you know, above 150, but most of them have been around 180, so this one's a little bit more breathable. A lot of things are going to affect that breathability, but these are a little bit higher or harder to breathe through than, you know, personally I'd like to see. All in all, a pretty good mask. 20 bucks on Amazon for a 30 pack, individually packaged, which is great. You can put them in your backpack or in your, you know, like the, you know, in your jacket pocket or I don't know, wherever you carry things. Put it in there. Take it with you. I used to carry KF94s with me in my bag all the time in case somebody needed a mask. It's clean, it's sealed, it's ready to go. Great format. Would buy again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I will catch you on the next test. That's right. I didn't even ask for a like or subscribe because I'm not that type of YouTuber. Would never do that. Never. Wouldn't do it.